Alright, today we are going to tackle getting this onto the mothership. I don't know how easy it's going to go. We watched a couple videos, and since I'm about 300 pounds of meat, I have a person that's an intern that's going to be figuring out how to install the cover. That's Tim too. But first of all, I wanted to ask everyone how the videos, the movies I recommended were. Post in the comments below. Hopefully I have more of those recommendations later on. I'm a Netflix addict, and since I'm officially semi-retired, I'll probably be doing a lot more binging on Netflix. So, as many of you know, I'm an addict to TV in general. I inherit that, honestly. So today we're going to attempt to put the cover on, and we're going to secure the mothership for the rest of the winter. Hopefully this is the first and only winter I have to use this cover, but you never know. If we get tired of traveling to the warmer climates during the winter, which I doubt, we just might not have to use it, or might have to use it, one or the other, whatever I just said. It's all confusing to me. So welcome to our video. Hopefully this serves as an instructional video, an annoyance video. It convinces you either to cover your RV or just leave it exposed to the winter elements. But I'm doing it because that's just what I like to do. Got a good deal on this cover from Empire RV Cover. This fits a 31 to 33 footer. It was normally $259. I paid $169 for it, so it's a good deal. So enjoy the video, and I might just include my new drone shot. So brace yourself for that and get ready for the newest technology at Darkness Travels. We'll see you soon. Package of straps, that's what we're going to use to secure the RV cover to the motorhome. And so we have to figure out, oh yeah, that's cool. Look, it says front. I'm sure it looks backwards, but it's a green sign that says front. What happens when you procrastinate, which I have the last couple months? This is the end of November, and we have snow on top of the mothership. So my apprentice is going to, or intern is going to, sweep the snow off the top, or try not to get it on this cover here. Here, I'm going to move the cover. We're kind of fortunate with the Airstream because the top is a solid eggshell fiberglass top. The only problems with these is that around the driver's side, the windshield actually, is where they usually obtained or got leaks. And as you can see, someone did a half-ass job on the caulking, and it looks like hell. Which eventually I'll probably scrape out and try to replace with newer caulk this next spring. Okay, we have it up there. We just gotta schlape it across everything. And then start unfolding it. It's your mistake. We decided to unfold it first before we got it up on the Airstream, and we'll try this again. Fold it in half. I'm going to roll this up that way, the rear up to the front, and when he gets it up here, he's going to unroll it and then put it on either side of the mothership. It's like a slip and slide. Yeah. Gotta put the front down towards the front. There it is. The cover's done. That should cover it for the rest of the winter. Just kidding. Stay tuned. It was a little cumbersome, but not bad. I had to get the 8-foot ladder out. And what we're going to do is take some straps. Since this were built for the modern day motorhome, not the 95 vintage unit, like we're so privileged to have, the newer motorhomes are narrow. So the only complaint, and it's not really a complaint I had, was the mirror part of the cover is not covering my mirror. Because again, they were wider in the 90s versus now they built them tall and narrow. For some dumb design reason, I have no idea. Just like a box going down the expressway to hit the wind, for the wind to hit it. All right, we're gonna put the straps on and we'll keep you updated. Okay, the finished product, just tightening up the last of the straps, and we are good to go. This is the Mothership covering. Like I said, it's for a narrow profile motorhome because ours is a 95 vintage unit, proudly spoken. And I like this because it has zipper access to the side door if we need to get in there during the winter, which we shouldn't. I just want to thank everyone for watching. Hopefully you learned something new. Doubtful, because I'm not a very good teacher on video, especially being my new narcissist character that I've been playing talking to my video camera. So thanks for watching. Come back soon. After this video, I hope to have, there was a DIY project on a 12-volt connector and the exterior tour when we first purchased the Mothership, and a battery install, which is kind of boring. I'd like to in the future get some our vintage Airstream projects posted for everyone to indulge in. Thanks for stopping by and supporting Dark Nest Travels. We'll see you next week. I promised all of you I'll give you my new drone shot, so brace yourself. There you have it. I'll do it one more time, and maybe I'll slow that down too.